Not much going on. Oh look, a fence and a hydro pole and snow. Oh look, more trees. Oh look, another hydro pole. Guys, look, a sign. Oh my God. Okay, we're going up here apparently. Woo! Love it. Crazy, crazy. I'm in a good mood. Sketchy stuff here. Careful now, there could be ghosts in here. Oh man, you gotta be careful. Oh, it's just the wind. All right, it's okay, guys. Calm down. Careful now. Whoa. Okay. Pretty cool, huh? Oh, I just said, hey, oh my God. So Canadian, eh? I'll boot that. Better go home. Go home to my igloo. And we're gonna be legal here. We're gonna stop. Stop. Okay, and go. Oh, maybe if we put it in gear. Go. Oh shit! Shit! I got one! I got one, guys! Oh, he snapped the line. Fuck it. Throw the fishing rod in. Fuck. Burp, 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 burp. Let's see. Let's just pull this over like this. Clear some of this shit out of here. There we go. A little more safe now. Alright, folks. Finally some snow. Did you see that, guys? Let's go see if we can get it. Let's go see. Let's see if we can catch them. Let's see if we can get them. Gotcha. Guys, I found Jake the garden snake. What's up, buddy? You can see that 105 mile an hour. Right on. All right, let's go.